So here's a look at the work boxes for my first grader, and I bought 2 of these Sterilite 3-drawer combos. They're 12 by 12, so they're nice and big, and we stack them, and they barely fit in this kitchenette area we have in our family room, but they work. And I was not super beautiful in how I just put a label on them here. So here's how a workbox works. It's a simple concept, but instead of having all their books in one big area, in a big jumble, you divide it up, and once she does something from each drawer, she's done school. So it's a great visual way for kids that are young to do school. So Bible, I have all the stuff in here, and whatever we're working on at the time, we will work on that. And then language. Now I kind of lied. I said 1 thing per drawer, but some of them I do have more than one. So we might work on reading, and then her reading eggs, which is like phonics. And then her math drawer also has her book, and then also might have some supplies that she might need to do some of the lessons. So you can stick extra things in those drawers. Science, we're doing like lots of little unit studies and reading books about different scientific topics. I mean, I stuck all of it in here. This is my last child that I'm doing first grade, so I'm pretty much trying to use up all my supplies this year. So I stuck everything in here that we might cover, and if we don't get to it, it'll probably go on to second grade with us. So writing and spelling, she has, it's getting a little hard to see, sorry, but like handwriting paper and all her supplies for spelling and writing. And then finally, if you can see grammar, it's kind of in here, and we've got first language lessons and that kind of thing. So this is just what a workbox is, and I don't like to have all my school stuff out. So we use a kitchenette area, and look at that. I don't even know that I homeschool, except for like bugs and stuff. I'll show you what my older kids do. This is my older kids. We have like lockers, and everyone has their stuff. So back to my first grader, my older kids do Trello, and she didn't like just having work boxes. She also wanted something to check off. So I just printed something out of what her different subjects are, and then she checks them off with a dry erase marker. And then when she's done that, she's done her school day. So that's how our work boxes look for first grade. Hopefully this was helpful.